Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can set report alerts to notify the user of conditions or information within a report that are outside of a defined norm. Many times in business, you will want to see these types of reports, which are often called exception reports, because they can alert you to potential problems. Crystal Reports uses report alerts to identify and notify the user when certain specified criteria are met. For example, you could create a report alert which informs the management staff with a custom message when sales for a specified period are under a certain specified value. To create a report alert, choose Report from the menu bar, roll down to the Alerts command, and then choose the Create or Modify Alerts command. This will launch the Create Alerts dialog box. You can click the New button within this dialog box to launch the Create Alert dialog box. Here you must type a name for the alert into the Name text box. Next, click into the message box and then type the message that you want to display when the condition that you will set has been met. Note that if you wish to create a formula that displays a text message or makes value references to other report fields, you could instead click the X+2 button that appears to the right of the message text box and then create the formula within the formula editor, which you will then display when the criteria has been met. After you've typed your message, you can then click the Condition button to invoke the Formula Editor, where you can create the formula that, when met, will trigger the display of the message which you have created. When you're finished, click the Save and Close button in the Formula Editor window to return to the Create Alert dialog box. Note the Enabled checkbox is checked, which indicates that this alert is on. You can always return to an alert that you wish to temporarily deactivate and uncheck this checkbox to turn an alert off without having to delete the alert. You can then click OK in this dialog box to return to the Create Alerts dialog box. Now, if you do wish to delete an alert which you have created but no longer need, you can select the name of the alert within the Create Alerts dialog box and then click the Delete button to the right to delete the selected alert. You can also click on the name of an alert within this dialog box and then click the Edit button to edit the selected alert's condition or message if needed. You can also click the New button to create as many additional alerts as you feel you need for this report. When you are finished, you can click the Close button to return to the report. When you preview the data or refresh the report data, any alerts will be triggered if they meet the criteria which you specified. They will appear on their own Report Alerts dialog box, where you can see the name of the alert and the message which was entered. In this dialog box, you can select the name of the alert which was triggered, and then click the View Records button to view the data records which triggered the report alert. Now, when you're finished reviewing the data, you can click the Close button within the Report Alerts dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.